Hey, this is Fastnickel. So someone asked me to give my opinion on this coin called Brevis. It's new. I've never heard of it before, but as you can see, it's down 20% for the day. It just launched. So based on that, I would not necessarily get into this coin, but that's not the reason why you get into a coin or not get into a coin. So this is where you need to do some research. So I did a little bit of research real quick. So I want to go ahead and give you some information on this coin. So this is the website. It's the Infinite Compute Layer. And this is their Twitter. So when you go to their Twitter page, they have a huge following. They have 462,000 followers. So this is always where you want to go to see the most recent information. But with that said, let's dive in. So what to know about Brevis? Brevis is an infrastructure project in blockchain focused on variable computation with zero-knowledge proofs. It lets developers run complex calculations off-chain, then prove the results on-chain in a trustless way. That's decentralized. This reduces costs, increases speed, and preserves security for smart contracts, which is important. The core features: ZK co-compressor network that offloads heavy computation and returns cryptographically variable proofs for smart contracts. ProverNet marketplace, matching proof jobs with specialized provers in real time. Pico, ZK VM, and ZK data co-processor power scalable and efficient data verification across chains. Brev token used for payments, stalking, and governance within the Brevis ecosystem. Some use cases is that DeFi apps that need detailed historical on-chain data, personalized fees, or loyalty systems driven by proof verified data, scalable decentralized applications that offload computation without losing trust. Brevis has raised notable seed funding from major blockchain investors, including Polychain Capital and Binance Labs, and its mainnet beta for ProverNet is live. In summary, Brevis built a zero-knowledge proof computation layer to help blockchain scale, lower costs, and support advanced decentralized applications backed by institutional investors and live operational technology. So let's look at ProverNet Marketplace. Brevis launches ProverNet mainnet beta, the first decentralized ZK proven marketplace on-chain. Brevis, a leading infrastructure, make this a better company powering smart variable applications with zero-knowledge proofs, announced ProverNet, its decentralized marketplace for zero-knowledge proof generation. It's live on mainnet in beta. The launch comes just weeks after Brevis released the ProverNet white paper, introducing the architecture for world's first decentralized marketplace with continuous auctions for ZK proof generation. This is pretty good. Next, I want to show you, based on the seed funding, they have announced that they raised $7.5 million in seed for shaping the future of variable computing. So this came out back in November. Brevis has announced a raise of $7.5 million in seed funding led by Polychain Capital and Binance Labs, which are two big names, and with participating from ISG, Nomad Capital, Bankless Ventures, and Hashkey, as well as a number of major angel investors. And last but not least, the decentralized applications. Brevis develops a decentralized zero-knowledge proof coprocessor, improving security and privacy and cryptographic operations for a range of applications. So there's a lot of good things to read here. Let me continue. So the founder and team. Michael, the co-founder and CEO, leads product and tech strategy, represents Brevis at conferences. Dr. Mo Dong, co-founder, is cryptography and distributed systems expert, shaping Brevis's ZK architecture. The core team includes PhD researchers in cryptography and distributed systems. Some notable investors and backers. Seed fund raised $7.5 million, which I showed you. Polyjane Capital, Binance Lab, OSG Ventures, Hashkey Capital, Bankless Ventures, Nomad Capital, several undisclosed angel investors. So partners and integrations, Brevis has integrations and tech usage with protocols like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Linear, MetaMask, and BNB. In summary, leadership combines cryptography researchers and experienced builders. Funding comes from top VC firms and crypto infrastructure. Integration partners include major DeFi and Web3 protocols. The facts, some positive signals. The founders have real credentials in cryptography and distributed systems. Team includes PhDs and published researchers. They raise institutional seed funding from known crypto venture firms. Backers include Polychain and Binance. Tech is live and used in some ecosystems. Some red flags are many early stage crypto fail or lose, mostly because of value. Token distribution not fully unlocked. High daily volatility. Projects in zero knowledge tech are complex and hard to adopt quickly. Founders have real credentials in cryptography. Raise institutional seed funding. Backers include Polychain, as I mentioned. Some legitimacy checks. Nothing in the available data suggests fraud or exit scam intent. The company and team presence online is variable. Investors are recognized in crypto VC. Your risk is that this is speculative infrastructure tech, because this is a mid-level, mid-cap project. If you trade altcoins, it's fit high volatility profile. In conclusion, it's a legit project with real tech and investors, high risk profile, not guaranteed success. It's a speculative asset. The risk level stays evaluated due to structure, supply, and volatility. And of course, do your own research before investing. Now, this is not a get rich quick based on what they're looking to do. If you were looking to invest, I would start off small, maybe $50 to $100, but also know that it might take a year or more to really see this ramp up. So if you invest a little bit initially, I would keep an eye on it. Definitely check their Twitter page to see what new ventures they have going on, and then invest accordingly, dollar cost average.